Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft 365 forms for streamlined internal requests step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft 365 forms, begin by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 app launcher, typically found in the upper left corner. Select the Forms application from the list of available apps. Once in Forms, click on the New Form button to create a new form. You will be presented with a blank canvas to design your form. Start by giving your form a title that clearly reflects its purpose. Next, add a description to provide context for users filling out the form. Click on the Add Question button to include your first question. Choose the type of question you want to include, such as multiple choice, text, or rating. Enter your question and provide answer options if applicable. Continue adding questions following the same process until your form is complete. To rearrange questions, simply drag and drop them into your desired order. If you need to make any questions required, toggle the required option. Once your form is finalized, click on the Share button at the top right corner. You will see sharing options that allow you to control how people can access the form. Select anyone with the link can respond if you want to allow external users to submit requests. For internal requests only, select Only people in my organization can respond. Copy the link provided for sharing your form with others. Consider embedding the form in an internal web page or sharing it via email to reach your audience easily. To track responses, return to the Forms dashboard and select your form. Click on the Responses tab to view submitted entries and analyze the data. Utilize the built-in analytics tools to generate insights from the responses collected. If needed, you can export the responses to Excel for further analysis. By following these steps, you can create and activate Microsoft 365 forms to streamline internal requests efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.